Look at this train! It's so fast! Hello, kids! Today we want to coloring this train with each other. At first, I'm using yellow color for the windows. Don't forget to subscribe as kids. Now I want to use red color for this part. What about you, kids? Which color do you like? Do you like to travel with train? It's so wonderful! Oh, kids, where do you like to travel? I like to travel with my family. I love my family very much. What about you, kids? I'm sure you love your parents very much. Do you like blue color? Keep going, kids. You're so great. I'm sure you can coloring very well. Pink color. Please subscribe me, kids. That's so awesome! Let's color in the wheels with each other. I'm using black color for the wheels. What about you, kids? Which color do you like to use now? That's so great! Now I want to use gray color. If you like our videos, please subscribe as kids. I want to color the train so colorful. Oh look, we have a cat in our train. Hello, kitty. Oh, finished! Now we have a colorful train. It's so amazing. I like it. Thank you for watching me. If you like our videos, please subscribe us. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.